Hello friends and welcome to my channel ANATYX, and in today's video we will be talking about how to use the COUNTIF function in Excel. So before we go ahead, let us understand why do we use COUNTIF. So COUNTIF function is used to count the number of times the cell contents are repeated in a given data set. So like for example, I have north, west and south regions. So I want to count how many times north, west and south are repeated in this data set over here. So for that what I do is I put the formula COUNTIF. So is equal to COUNTIF, COUNTIF, open bracket. I can select the entire range of data, the entire row column from C to C, put a comma. North, I want to see how many times in column C is north repeated. Close data, hit enter. So this is 19 times. So I can drag the formula like this, and it says 5 times west was repeated and south was repeated 19 times. So if I add this, it is 43. So in all, 43 times all these three regions were repeated. Similarly, if I delete this and I want the formula to be over here and here, what I can do is right click, copy, select, right click, paste. So that's it in this video, my friends. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up icon and hit the subscribe button down there so that you get posted whenever I add new videos. So bye bye for now. Speak to you guys later. Thank you.